Welcome back, all you sexy YouTube nail mother lovers. Kadence here, and I know it's been a minute, but life and all that jazz. Today I have what I thought was, I'm just picking some crap off my workstation here. Today I have what I thought was going to be a midweek quickie for you, but it has turned into a week long. Longy? I don't know. I won't swear just yet. Anyway, this is the set that I prepared for myself for Anzac Day, and let's get started. So I'm starting with two things. One, critical chai, detailer and D-liner brushes from Dorota Palika, Madam Glam, Cassidy detailer from Kirsty Meekant, and some black press-ons. No, the press-ons weren't black. The press-ons were long coffin from Makartt, and the black is Madam Glam's Perfect Black. So, see the spot at the end of the line? Focus on the spot. Today I'm going to be drawing poppies, and I'm going to be putting chrome over said poppies. Poppies, why? Because Anzac Day, it's a sign of remembrance. And I don't know why I was feeling the black, but black is where I went, and red poppies is what we had. So this poppy, I am creating an open poppy so that it's looking towards us, which is why the dot was above the line. I'll create a closed poppy or a poppy facing up in the next nail that I show you. So basically we've just created some V's, V up, V down, V to the side, and then a little squiggle wiggle. Almost like a love heart. Are you impressed with my zoom in, cut away, whatever was happening there? And I do have just realized that I listed more than two things at the beginning there. But fuck you, it's late at night, and I wanted to get at least something good on the internet between now and the last however long it has been. So, what am I doing here? I am just adding some detail to the poppies. Petals. Poppy petals. Oh dear, this is going to be one of those videos with me not being able to talk. So there is the full picture, open poppy and its petals. Now, do a half or quarter cure because I'm going to rub the shit out of it with the chrome. And we all know how I feel about chrome. We'll get to that. Put a bookmark if this is your first time here. Put a bookmark. Commiserations, by the way. But put a bookmark in that and we'll talk about it in a minute. So, top coat, quarter or half cured, depending on what top coat you're using. Please take a moment to like and subscribe. Appease the YouTube gods and push that button. Like the video, subscribe, join the cult that is the nail motherfuckers of the internet here at Claws by Kadence. Anyway, moving on. Just had to show a little bit of narcissism there. Why not? We're on the internet. So this poppy will be a closed poppy. And how do I know it's closed? Because we're looking at the petals from the outside and the petal is joining straight to the stem. Hence why the dot was floating. Dot gave you a center reference point, the dot in the last nail. You probably can't look. Okay, I'm all over the place. Give me a break. me. Okay, so adding detail by just pulling in at little places on the inside and outside of the pedal to give it detail. These are so fucking small that no one notices except for you and me because it's so zoomed in. But I don't know, I notice when you look at it, I notice these things. So I always think that the people looking at them notice who aren't in the narrow world. But, do they? Who knows such things? Who knows such things in this crazy world of ours? And because I am the single best YouTuber in the history of the universe, so professional. I'm very singy tonight because I'm in my microphone again. Can you hear the difference? Up, 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 up. Oh, fuck. Oh no, what happened? Sorry, my computer died. And it was a screensaver because I hadn't taken a breath in 6 fucking minutes. Okay, that's new. Fuck you, Microsoft Update or whatever the hell was going on with this computer. You know what? Don't get me started on computers. This is jacking me off at the moment. So fucking annoyed that McAfee anti-spam. Never, 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 never install it on your computer. Every single invoice or piece of an email that I actually need ends up in the McAfee anti-spam folder. Why? I don't know. I can barely draw poppies on a nail. How am I supposed to figure out how to get emails out of a fucking spam folder and stop it? Oh, I get all the stupid alerts from princes in southern Venezuela who say I have inherited $5 million, but do I get the critical information I need on a daily basis? No, I don't. So, cue internet, okay. And that's the end of my rant for this episode. Who knows, there's still a few minutes of footage left for me to voice over, and I'm using those in air quotes very loosely. How are you doing? How are you all doing? Please leave me a comment. I do read them. I do have... Okay, I'm going to shut up. Put the fucking lid on the Chrome. Put the lid on the Chrome. I'm going to leave a link above, and it will show you exactly why you need to put the lid on the Chrome. For those of you who've been around, you know. Oh, you know. And I know. So the lid went on the Chrome straight away. So what I'm doing here, nails for just one moment. What I'm doing here is taking shiny top coat, and I am very finely going over the out of focus poppy with the Madame Glam No Wipe Shiny Top. To draw the poppy, I used the Rotopolika. I'm really sorry that I butcher that name every single time I say her name, but I used the D-liner brush to draw the poppy, and it is so damn fine. It's got about 4 bristles on it. This brush, while also fine, has maybe 6 to 8 bristles in it, so I can get a really nice outline of the poppy without it looking like a shitty mess. I could have shinied the entire nail, however, I was feeling the matte as a background. I know, call the ambulance. I've always said if I wear a matte nail, something is wrong. Shit is wrong at the moment, but hello life, that's another business. It's another thing for another business, for another time, for another place. But yeah, I don't know. I was just feeling this shiny on matte, so I did it. Whatever. Let's move on. I was ranting about something and I can't remember what it was. I got over my anti-spam business. It was something else. I don't know. Anyway. Flash cure the top coat. I flash cured it Why did you flash Carrot Cadence? Because it's the last time you want, like, you actually want to seal this in, right? So why did you flash Carrot? Because I've got 10 other nails to do, so give it a flash. Don't waste your time. And then get on with the job of doing the rest of them. If you had a steady hand or were doing a client who wasn't going to move, you could bash out all 10, no problem. However, I can't do a single thing without getting shit all over me or all over my nails, as you well know. So I've just flashed and move on to the next now. I was saying leave a comment. That's what I was going on about. So leave a comment down below. I do read them. I do respond to all of you. We're a nice little small lovely community. You guys are fucking awesome and I love you all. You have given me some awesome ideas for upcoming videos. I know I said that in the last one, and it should be the wedding video. Fuck! Oh no, it's okay. I got my screensaver again and I've just said fuck. It's not like I don't say fuck all the time, so who cares? Anyway, this should have been the wedding one, but it's the Anzac Day one. The wedding one will be next. And I've got some really cool ideas coming up in the next few weeks that you guys have given me. So I do read, I do listen, and I will produce for you. So on that note, appease the YouTube gods. Take a moment to like and subscribe to this crazy world that is caused by Kadence. Once you have top coated this, take a lint-free wipe, alcohol, give them a wipe down to remove excess chrome, put on your cuticle oil, and you are GTG. All done, dusted, looking pretty, stepping out for your for your dawn services. Even though I might be 3 weeks late for a dawn service, I was damn well there first thing that morning, as we all should be. Alrighty, this is what they look like, up close and personal. Thank you so much for joining me on this crazy adventure. I hope you like these, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.